Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. It's your host, Engineer City David, and in today's video, I will demonstrate how a water pump is designed and how it's made, and I'll make it on a small scale so that we can see how it works. So this is a short demonstration of the pump that is pumping water from the jar onto the outer part. Right. So without talking much, let's dive into the video. Okay, so the first part is that you get a CD, then you cut it, or you can use any similar material that you can use. So here I was using a divider. After making some margins, I had to cut it in this shape. And again, I had to cut it into another shape again. So I was using a divider, making the demarcations. And after that, when the shape was cut, it was something like this. Okay, so after this was cut now, I was trying to make it smooth so that the gluing part would be easy. Then again, I had to cut a small circle. You cut a small circle. Again, I was using a divider because it was much easier making the demarcation so that when I start cutting, it becomes so easy. Okay, so when the circle was cut, it wasn't that round, so I was using the divider again to make it more round. Okay, so after doing that, I had to make it more round to avoid vibrations. Okay, so now with the first shape that I made, I had to cut it and made it in form of V shapes so that they can be controlling the flow of water. Okay, so after positioning them, I then now started gluing it. So this was me now trying to position them how they are supposed to be. And now that they are positioned, I started gluing them to make sure that they are firm and they don't fall off during operation. Okay, so now I was trying to glue them. Okay, so they are now being glued. Make sure that they are glued, they are strong enough that even when they start beating the water, they should not break off. Okay, so this is a motor, 12 volts DC motor. It's a brushed motor, and that's a bottle top, and that's a pipe. I had to cut it in this shape and I had to glue it. Okay, and this is how it looks like inside. Then after that, now we have to get the down part, which gets water from the source before it pumps it elsewhere. So as you can see, this one has got 3 pipes, and this was deliberately done so that it can draw more water. So it can draw more water and have enough chance to release the water at the amount needed. So this was the testing now of the pump, and it's working perfectly. So the pump is drawing water from the jar to the ground. So this is how even huge pumps are created. So you just choose the type of motor that you are using, but then avoid the motor being in water because it can get damaged. All right, thank you for watching and God bless you.